Hello, long time no see. Today is a beautiful Saturday. I have this kind of fun outfit on. I don't really know if it's cute or not, but I'm very inspired, obviously, by New York Fashion Week 2023. All of the bows and just like fun little ballet sort of elements that are going on. I think I kind of hate the color palette that I have going on though. It's giving Easter. It's giving Easter egg. And also the fun thing about adding bows to outfits is that it's so cheap. I literally just go to like the fashion district or whatever and I just buy a bunch of ribbon. It's like 75 cents a yard, you know? I made that price up, but oh my god, wait, take a look. I bought a Sunny Angel recently and they were out of all the normal ones, but I bought a hipper. It actually looks so cute in this little plant right here. I love it. So yeah, kind of obsessed with that. I did last night at 1 a.m. purchase 2 more of these in the vegetable series because they were available and they're always out of stock. So I was like, you know what, it's late. I'm literally delusionally tired, but oh, wait, kind of works. Or does it totally not? I can't tell if I think this outfit's cool or it's literally so ugly. Literally no surprise at all. I changed my outfit. I don't even know if I like it. I might change it again, but here, take a look. It's way more boring, but I feel like it's kind of cute for like a late summer day. Wait, I have like a little brown boot instead that might match this better than the black. That could work. So I feel like the brown, even though I hate the shape of the boot, it kind of works better. Because without actually seeing the top of the boot, it sort of is giving cowboy boot. I still cannot tell. It's kind of different for me. It's not my usual style, but I think I'm gonna go with it anyways. Okay, I gotta go and meet my friend Anna. Let's go. Anna's got a new tattoo. Holy shit. Dude, that shit's like good quality as fuck. That's like really fine work.
The pen store.
We have to go buy pens. Something about me and Anna is that we love our stationery. But it's like a very specific kind of stationery where like I can't write in my journal and reflect on my feelings and my emotions or boys without a specific kind of pen. It's the Pilot G2.5 is what I love.
Yeah.
But also for other kinds of like art and things like that, you need different pens.
Because if I don't have the right pen, I'm not writing.
Literally,
Sorry.
It's not happening.
It's not happening.
My thoughts are staying in my brain.
Yeah. I will journal. Yeah. And then if I hate the pen, I'll stop and I'll just pick up a new pen. And it drives me crazy because then I have like 2 different colors.
I can't do that. Especially if like the width is different between the two.
Yes.
This is what living in New York is like. We literally just like open up our map and we're like, what do we do? Where do we go? And then half an hour later we figure something out.
I know.
Wait, wanna look at the hole in my...
What the hell? Isn't that so cute? This caliber is so cute too.
Ooh.
Like, it's 97, so it's...
The Christmas one? I didn't know you were this into Betty Boop.
I'm not. I mean...
I'm not. Betty Boop.
Okay.
Betty Boop. Betty Boop.
I found an estate sale sign on the side of the street, and I've never been to an estate sale, so I just pulled up, and this man died, and he literally had like rooms full of Betty Boop memorabilia. I'm not even kidding.
That's a little strange.
He had porcelain dolls that were like this big of her, like at the beach in a swimsuit on a motorcycle. He also collected like Marilyn Monroe and Elvis Presley stuff. I don't know. That's why I have Betty Boop stuff.
I think honestly they're really cool. I like the color palette of this a lot. It's so pretty.
And I got all of this for $15.
$15?
$15.
Damn.
I know.
That's a deal.
It is a deal.
That's a dealio, kiddo. You really knocked that one out of the park.
This one? Are you kidding?
Is this the marine one?
Starfish.
I know. I think they're available right now.
Yeah. This is so hard.
I know.
We're gonna have to do an unboxing.
We are gonna have to do an unboxing. Okay.
Yeah.
We're gonna go buy these and then unbox outside. Okay, we got
we got the yoga ones. What if we get the same one?
This is one of the few packs that I like every single pose of.
I feel it.
What'd you get?
I don't know.
Oh my god, we're back! Oh my god, okay. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. You got the... god!
Of course they
And
met.
his head moves around. This is the best day of my life.
I gotta do this. I gotta do
this.
This
This
one.
is more exciting.
Shut up.
Oh god, you got the B one! Oh, that's so
Oh
good!
my god, the way it's climbing.
Stop! You really won. You really won. You won.
How much does cereal actually cost these days?
Cereal's expensive these days. It's actually crazy. Look how cute these menus are. Oh, absolutely. Oh my god, my teeth are so red from the red wine.
My whole body is red from the red wine. Look at this.
Anyways, I guess the vlog is back. So, see you at the next one. Oh my god, it's far away. We gotta run. What the fuck? I'm gonna fucking slip in my boots. Damn. Ah! This is crazy. Oh my god.
Like the train.
Oh my god, yes.
Metropolitan Avenue. Transfer is available.
There's something about being in a fluorescent bulb lit establishment while being a little drunk.
Why am I
It's so
overstimulated?
good. I'm overstimulated, but like in
But I
the
can
best
see
way.
everything.
I can see every little speck. Whoa. There's a both worlds.